Hello, my name is Dark Mandal, and today you're going to join me today in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I make a simple taco salad. It's pretty easy. I've already started up on it, so I'll just tell you what I've been doing so far. So basically what I started off doing was putting let me turn on the light here. Okay, we can see it. Putting the or corn tortillas into a cast iron skillet or pan. This is more like a pan than a skillet, and it has a little bit of canola oil in it. So that's what's going on there. And I've been making toasted tortillas right here. So that's what that's about. Over here, I'm heating up some beans. They're red beans that I soaked and cooked previously, I think the night before. So, and then I've got some lettuce over here I'm going to cut up, and I made some guacamole right here. And then here's some habanero sauce that's homemade that my husband made. The avocado I used. So let's see if I can prop you up without making too much of a mess in here, and then I'll turn the light on so we'll have better lighting in here. So let's see if I can prop you up over here without dropping you. So there, okay. It's kind of dark in here. I'm sorry, but it's a lot lighter in here than it is in the home I used to live in. So I'll turn the light on in here for a bit so you can see a little bit better. I don't know if that makes it better or worse because it looks like I'm bleached out. Yeah. Anyway, can't win, right? So anyway, you can see me now, right? Can you see me now? Good. But yeah, that's basically what I'm making is a taco salad, and I wanted to demonstrate to all of you how easy it is to do things like this. But I want to be able to put this in a place where this phone in a place where you can see me doing what I'm doing. Maybe this light's too much. I'm gonna turn the light off. Light's probably too much. Yeah, the light was too bright. This is better dark than too bright, I guess. And yeah, so yeah, I got these beans in the pot. I'm toasting these tortillas. I'm making extras because not my husband, my son wants to have some of these tortillas to do what he wants with it. I'm gonna go a little step extra with the whole vegan recipe here for a taco salad. I'm going to use what's called nutritional yeast, and I'll show you what it looks like if I can in this dark kitchen. So maybe if I open this up a little more. Does that work? Okay, whatever. But anyway, nutritional yeast, you could find it at a lot of grocery stores in bulk. And this is what it looks like. It's packed with B12, lots of vitamins and minerals in it, and it can be used as a cheese substitute. For those of you that want to cut down on your cheese intake or totally get rid of cheese out of your diet. That's how it's been able to slim down, my belly fat going down, because I stopped eating cheese, and I stopped eating a lot of dairy products. So that's how I lost weight on my midsection, and all the rest of my body too. But yeah, so I'll show you how to use it. Let me grab a pot. Because basically what you're going to want to do is heat it up on the stove. So what I do is if I have walnut milk, I like to use that with it, or unsweetened and like just plain almond milk. I can use either one, or coconut milk too, unsweetened coconut milk. Let me put another tortilla in the pan here. But yeah, so basically what I do is I scoop out, depending on how much of the cheese I'm making, if I'm making a lot for myself, or if I'm making a lot for me and someone else. My son is vegan, so pretty much vegan, so I'll make enough for him and me. So I'll probably put like 6 tablespoons worth of nutritional yeast into this little pot. So there's 1, 2, and I get to keep watch of the beans and the tortillas. 3, 4, 5, put 1 more in, and 6. So that's what it looks like inside of the pot. So basically I don't have either one of those things to use, like almond milk or almond milk or walnut milk or coconut milk. I don't have either one of those things. I totally ran out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use regular old water. I'm using filtered water. You can use spring water, distilled water. I just have access to regular water. How much water I put in there? I put enough in there to where it's not like less than a cup of water. I'd say probably less than a half a cup. So, and if you put too much water in there, don't worry about it. You can always add more nutritional yeast. That's why it's a good idea. See that how it looks? That's why it's a good idea to get a nice amount of it. I'm going to put these beans on the back burner, and that way I can show you what I'm going to do with this nutritional yeast on the stove. So, what you also want to have available is some sort of salad greens. I'm using romaine lettuce. You can have an onion to chop up on there to put on top of the taco salad. If you like that. I like that. I like red onion on top. Sometimes yellow onion on top. Sometimes garlic, fresh garlic on top. All of these type of, garlic and onion, those type of food substances helps to cleanse out your body. And also, what I learned about pests like mosquitoes and fleas and all kinds of crap that tries to bite you during this season, that the more garlic and onion you put in your system, less likely they're going to want to bite your skin, because they don't like that. So, and I do remember that when I was these tortillas over here, when I was a raw vegan, I didn't get mosquito bites at all. Mosquitoes didn't want to bite me. I didn't even have allergies either, so that says a lot. Maybe the foods that we're eating that are really processed, heavily processed, are making us weaker and less immune to the allergens in the environment, I would say. I've been eating more and more raw, though. Putting more raw fruits and vegetables into my diet every day. During this season, because it's really warm now, we're heading towards summer, I'm going to add another tablespoon or two of this nutritional yeast. But we're heading into summer soon, and man, it's going to be really warm, so I'll be eating more fruits and vegetables, and I'll try to bring to you some of the creations that I make with just raw fruits and vegetables. I make some really delicious raw food bars and all kinds of little salads. So I'm going to add another tablespoon in. So I guess we did a total of 8 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Let me show you the consistency of it so you can see it.